In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove plugins from Pro Tools. Now, there's actually a few ways to do this depending on what you want to achieve. So if you simply want to remove plugins from your track, you want to go to Insert over here. You can find the plugin, click on the dot icon next to it, and then switch over to No Insert. That's the first way. But if you actually want to remove them from Pro Tools themselves, so from the software together, you can go ahead and click on the X button top right to close down the Pro Tools. You can save or not, it's up to you. And then from here, you want to actually go into your file explorer on your computer. So I'm going to pull this up over here. There we go. Looks like this. And then what you want to do here is open up your C drive. And then from here, you want to go to Program Files. You want to scroll down and go into Common Files. Inside Common Files, you're going to find Avid. So it's going to be at the top. Click on Avid, and here you have Pro Tools. So if you click on Pro Tools over here, sometimes the plugins folder is going to be in here, but usually it's going to be inside audio. So if I click on audio here, you can see the plugins button, and of course not the button but the folder. You have unused and plugins. If you double click on that, here you can find all your plugins. So to remove them, you want to click on the one you want to remove, click on this trash can button or press the delete button on your keyboard, and it's going to get removed from Pro Tools. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.